drop my chest into that extension like this. So I'm gonna come back out of it. Go again. If you guys need a pad for the knees, feel free to grab something. But this is gonna be working that lat and also that T-spine, getting that into extension, okay? For those of you that failed that wall test, I want you to do 15 to 20 of these, and then I want to retest, and I want you to see if you feel any better, okay? So we have 4 benches here. You could also do it on a box if you want, but it's probably not as comfortable, but feel free to grab a PVC pipe, and yeah, do 15, 20 reps. Okay, and then bring your... Make sure you guys aren't forcing the motion. If you're shaking and your body's freaking out, so back off. Like hinge, like glide forward, Sean. With your hips, with your hips. Yeah, like that, Sean. So bend your elbows. There you go. Right there, stay right there. Okay, now like sit upright and then sink your hips back and take that bow again. And then do it again. And then, yeah, like that. Look at that. So right there, try to drop that chest a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we want that T-spine to go into that extension. Okay. Yeah. Nope, you're good. Are you feeling any pulling?
Not there. My bicep and my
in the front?
Yeah, that thing right there.
Okay.
That has always been a delt, my deltoid.
Yep.
Or whatever that is.
Talk to me a little bit.
The whole time.
Yep. How's everybody feeling on these? Good?